Hey, how's it going guys? Phil here, and this is a review for the Nonzers iPhone X tempered glass screen protector. You'll receive two glass screen protectors and two sets of application accessories. In the accessories pouch, you'll find a microfiber cleaning cloth, an alcohol wipe, and dust and application guide stickers. The glass screen protector is pretty thin and very clear. I wasn't able to scratch the glass surface using a pen, and it seems to clean off pretty easily. Installation is quick and straightforward. First, clean the surface of your phone with the alcohol wipe and allow it to dry. If dust settles on the screen afterwards, use the dust sticker to pick it up. Take the three guide stickers and stick them halfway onto the back of the phone. Next, position the glass on the screen face up where you want it to stick. Then wrap the stickers tightly around the edge of your phone before sticking them to the front of the glass. Stick the dust sticker on the opposite side of the glass to use as a handle. Now the glass can open like a book. Lift the glass and remove the backing of the screen protector. As you can see, the guide stickers don't really want to stay in place, but try your best not to unstick them. Check one last time for any dust on the screen, then lower the screen protector into place. Once it's seated, press on the center to start the adhesion process. Finally, remove the stickers. Use the cleaning cloth to polish and press any air bubbles out towards the edge of the screen. The glass looks and feels just like the original screen, and it fits in most cases that don't already have a built-in screen protector. The 3D touch and sensitivity do not appear to be affected at all. Because of the cutout on top, it doesn't interfere with the camera, sensors, or face detection. When used with a case, you can have all-over protection for your iPhone X. I hope you enjoyed this review. You can ask me any questions in the comments. I'll put a link to the product in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join me next time.